So as I was saying in the first tutorial, it allows you to put buttons on your website, which allows customers then to click and to join any of the groups that you've made available publicly. So I'm going to show you how to set that up now. So once you have the feature enabled, you can go to Customers, Manage Opt-in Form, and it will show you a list of all the groups in your system. These are all the same groups that you have configured in your Manage Groups section. So by clicking any of these groups, they now become publicly available when somebody clicks the Join our SMS List button. So you can choose whichever group you wish to become publicly available. You may want different groups to be available at different times of the year, for example. The final thing you need to do is to get the code to add the actual buttons to your web pages. So you can choose the size, color and text of all of the buttons you wish to add to your web pages. Click Generate Button and it will generate a small piece of code. This piece of code then is added to any page which you want the button to appear. So we've added all these buttons very easily to this page. It's a very simple process. Your web designer can do it for you, or if you're familiar, you can do it yourself very quickly. That's basically it. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.